Piglet. I'm not really too much of a horse guy, but I don't know if I'd name my horse Piglet. You don't care, do you? No. Here's 3 tips to help you speed up your iron railing workflow. First tip is to always have a bag ready. I actually have a separate bag of tools, both for measuring and installation. I keep these in the truck or in a separate area of the shop, just ready to go pick up at a moment's notice, so I don't have to worry about finding those tools. Now, tip number 2 is what I call measurement jigs. Now, a great example of these measurement jigs is how we've taken our most commonly used mount plates and size posts and welding them together in quick little things we can throw in our bag. Now we can really quickly put these on the ground, like on steps or a porch or somewhere, and pull our measurements. Really easy to get your measurements with these things. Might be doing some cool custom stuff in here on these barn doors. Hey buddy. Yeah, so we might be replacing all of this stuff, all of this metal work with some pretty cool stuff. Oh, hey buddy. Hey. Now tip number 3 is to keep a stockpile of pre-cut material. Now you don't want to do this with a lot of material, but there's one thing in particular that you know you're going to use on basically every iron railing, and that is, well, pickets. Now if you do a lot of normal type railing on houses, you know you're going to be using 1/2-inch pickets. It's the most common size materials that you use, and so we have a lot of 1/2-inch square pickets pre-cut, because we know that especially on straight sections, they're going to be the same size no matter what. Look guys, I hope these 3 tips will help you speed up your railing measurement and install workflow. These are things where we can end up losing a lot of time. All right, so that's it for me, and I'll see you guys next time. Ah, shit. Great. That's gonna smell. I bet it was piglets.